IPL training, after get the machine, you can check machine outside condition. If the machine is in good condition, you can start to install the machine. Backside. Firstly, you need to add water for the machine. This part is the water tank. When you add water, you need to use the funnel. Put funnel in the water inlet and then open the vent. And then you need to add water. Please notice you must add distilled or purified water. Tap water is totally not allowed. After you add water to the highest level, make sure to make the red ball at least higher than the highest level. This is high level, middle level, and low level. Make sure it at least higher than the highest level, and then you can close the vent. Press here to take out the funnel. After you do this, turn on the switch here. This is a plug. You can plug in the line, cable line. And now you can turn on the machine. Machine will on. This is the interface for the IPL. We offer 3 or 5 filters. We offer 2 working modes. This working mode is called SHR. It will emit light in single pulse with 1 to 10 Hz each second. This is IPL working mode. It will emit light in a group in 1 to 6 Hz each second. Take this one for example. This part is the main treatment part. This is the energy you are gonna use in the following treatment. And this is the voltage, this is the pulse width, this is the frequency. These 3 parameters will together decide the total energy you will be used. You can change the plus and minus sign here to adjust the total energy. Frequency means the shots in each light. For example, one shot in each light. Let's see. It means it will shot 1 time in each second. High is to 10 Hz. And this one is a timer. It means the working time for 1 click of the trigger. For example, if we adjust to 2 seconds, it means when we press this trigger, the handle will continuously working for 2 seconds. Please see. And it will stop. You can choose 1 second to 30 seconds in this parameter, which means if you choose 30 seconds, it means on 1 press of the button, it will keep working for 30 seconds. This one is a cooling level. We offer 5 cooling levels from 1 to 5. 1 is a weak level and 5 is the most strongest level. In the treatment, you can usually use 2 or 3 level will be enough. This part is to save customer treatment records. For example, if you use 22 joules for Miss Lily in the treatment, you can put Lily here and put this sign, download Lily's treatment here. And then this parameter will be saved as Lily, so that when Lily comes again, you can know what parameter does he use. Now it's 19, right? But when you search Lily, you can put Lily here. And it will show you all the treatments Lily have done. And you can directly upload the data to the machine. So it will become Lily's treatment energy here. This is a counter. The first line shows the shots you use in single time. The second line shows the shots you use from the first time to now, total shots. This line is the monitoring system and alarming system. This is monitoring system. If the machine has any problem in the future, you can show our engineer these parameters first, so we can know which part is wrong. This line is alarming parameter. This one stands for the water level. If the water level is lower than our standard or recommended water level, it will start alarming. This one is water flow. Suggested water flow for IPL is 5 to 7. For example, if the water flow is low, if there is any part of the machine folded, please wait for a while. If the water flow is folded, it will start alarming. It will become red and start peep peep. In this time, you need to check if there is anything folded inside the machine or the pipe. This is the water temperature. If the water temperature is higher than our suggested temperature, this parameter will also be start alarming. This is the water impurity. If the impurity is high, it means it's time to change water or to change water filters. This is the trigger status. This one, button. If you press button, or if the button is stuck in the handle and you didn't know, the button here will become like this. In this case, you will be unable to stand by. See? If you're unable to click standby, you need to check the trigger. If the trigger is pressed, you release the trigger and it will be able to stand by again. This is all the interface for the machine. And in other filters and in other modes, they're same. This part is our setting interface. From here, you can change the parameter for the alarming system. For example, this one means our recommended water temperature for the machine is 38 degrees. If the water temperature is higher than 38 degrees, the machine will start alarming. This same as the first one. This means if the water filter is lower than level 4, it will start alarming. You can change the parameters from the backstage here. Okay, that's all for the machine.